Hi guys, in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 dash cams of 2025. Dash cams will become an essential tool for drivers, offering peace of mind with their ability to capture incidents, provide real-time navigation assistance, and even enhance driving safety. If you're looking for the best dash cams of 2025, this video will help you find the perfect option for your needs, from advanced 4K models to more budget-friendly options. Let's dive into the top 5 dash cams of 2025. Fitcamx HD 9135 Dash Cam. It is specifically compatible with vehicle styles that feature an auto-dimming mirror. If you're unsure about compatibility, this dash cam captures ultra-clear 2160 pixels video at 30 frames per second thanks to its f1.6 aperture lens, Novatech chip, and CMOS sensor. It effectively eliminates blind spots and enhances image clarity, even at night, with its wide dynamic range technology, which automatically adjusts exposure for better night vision. Using the built-in Wi-Fi and Fitcamx app, managing and viewing your footage is a breeze. The dashcam auto-records once the car starts, and there's no need to keep the camera's Wi-Fi connected. Just remember to turn off cellular data or Bluetooth if you don't need a live preview. With loop recording, the oldest footage is automatically overwritten when storage is full. It includes a 64GB microSD card and supports up to 256 GB. Its G-sensor ensures that in the event of a sudden collision, the current video is locked and protected from being overwritten. However, it should be noted that this model does not support parking mode. Made with high-density ABS plus PC material, the Fitcamx Dash Cam is durable, temperature-resistant, and boasts excellent craftsmanship. Backed by 24/7 technical support, you can purchase with confidence, knowing help is readily available for any inquiries or concerns. GKU Dash Cam. It offers impressive video quality, featuring 4K resolution at 60 frames per second when using only the front camera, which is ideal for capturing fast-moving objects like license plates. When both the front and rear cameras are active, it records in 4K 30 frames per second on the front and 2.5K on the rear, providing far superior clarity compared to standard 1080 pixels rear cameras. This advanced setup ensures sharper footage, especially useful for capturing vital details in case of accidents. Equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor, the D900 delivers excellent HDR night vision with multi-frame synthesis technology and noise reduction technology, ensuring clear, vibrant images even in low-light conditions. It also features 2 megapixels and a low power consumption design for optimal day and night performance. The 24-hour parking monitor uses G-sensor parking mode to automatically record any impacts while parked, and the time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance for longer periods. Its 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster data transfers, allowing smooth video previews and quick downloads via the intuitive app, where you can access real-time footage, adjust settings, and more. It also includes built-in GPS, offering precise tracking of routes, speed, and location, which is valuable for reviewing trips or as evidence in accidents. With G-sensor technology, the dash cam automatically locks important footage during collisions, while loop recording ensures continuous operation by overwriting the oldest videos when the memory card is full. Lastly, the 340-degree front and 360-degree rear rotation allows for flexible camera positioning, making the D900 a versatile option for capturing the perfect angle. COOLCRAZY N8 Dash Cam. With its dual camera setup, this dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring crystal clear footage that captures every detail from license plates to road signs. The wide-angle coverage, 170 degrees in the front and 150 degrees in the rear, provides unmatched road monitoring, offering peace of mind whether you are cruising on highways or navigating busy city streets. Equipped with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, the COOLCRAZY N8 offers blazing fast connectivity for seamless footage management. Whether you are downloading high-quality 4K videos or sharing moments on social media, the process is effortless and instant. The companion app on iOS and Android devices allows you to access recordings, manage settings, and monitor your dashcam in real time, providing unmatched convenience no matter where you are. Night driving and parking security are no longer a concern, thanks to the dashcam's superior night vision and 24-hour parking mode. The f1.5 large aperture lens ensures that even the darkest roads are captured with clarity, while the parking mode monitors your car continuously when stationary. With time-lapse recording to save storage and power and the option for an additional hardwire kit, your vehicle remains under constant protection, making this dash cam a true guardian both on and off the road. The built-in GPS feature adds an extra layer of utility, displaying live speed and compass readings on the 3-inch IPS screen. It also tracks your driving route and location on the app, with a speed stamp embedded in the video. The COOLCRAZY N8 takes care of continuous recording with its loop recording feature, which overwrites old footage when the storage is full. The dashcam mounts securely to your windshield with the included suction cup, and the wiring is easily hidden using the provided pry tool. Lensuge Dash Cam. Its front and rear cam offers 8K Ultra HD front and 2.5K rear video resolution, with a 170-degree front wide angle and 140-degree rear wide angle to minimize blind spots. Its super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light, making it ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, and buses, especially for insurance claims. The dashcam includes an app for iOS and Android, allowing you to connect via Wi-Fi for live streaming, downloading videos, and sharing footage at speeds of up to 10 megabits per second. The built-in GPS tracks your driving location, speed, and route, providing essential data in case of accidents. For 24-hour parking surveillance, a hardware kit is needed, which allows collision detection and low-power, low-frame-rate recording, protecting your vehicle from theft or damage. Finally, we have the Navycrest Q7 Dash Cam. It delivers stunning video quality with its Sony IMX sensor, recording in 2.5K front and 1080 pixels rear resolution, capturing key details like road signs and license plates. It features 5G Wi-Fi for fast connection and app control, allowing instant video viewing and easy footage download at speeds up to 8 megabytes per second. With the app, you can adjust settings, download, edit, and share videos effortlessly. For 24/7 parking mode, enabling automatic recording during collisions or continuous time-lapse recording with low power consumption. The Super Night Vision Sony sensor and 6-glass lens ensure clear images day or night, while the compact size provides an unobstructed view and easy installation. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage, while the G-sensor locks important videos during collisions. It includes a 64GB card for instant use, and the car charger has an extra USB port for charging devices. Additionally, the Q7 comes with worry-free after-sale service, including a 1-year warranty, 24/7 technical support, and a 30-day full refund guarantee. Thanks for tuning into our roundup of the best smart dash cams of 2025. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect dash cam to enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. If you have any questions or recommendations, drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.